oyangore ni Joseph Juma Buyuka notho ndalo ariyo mokalo kanoyudo thieth e osiptal ka achije ariyo mamoko bende dhi mbele gi yudo thieth. Jang'ad bura e doho Mashanzo Yusuf Shikanda nonyiso wach tho mar jalno ka Paul Mackenzie, jaode Roda Maweu kod jomoko 15 nochopi e nyim doho Mashanzo.
Now, Your Honor, given that position, and we are asking for 60 days, you can see that the Honorable Court should not even reduce these days even by an hour, because from where I stand, they appear not to be sufficient.
Investigating the same case cannot work simultaneously to speed up the investigation. Is it lack of personnel? Is it lack of capacity? Or just incompetence?
Since the other side of the story is not known at the moment, I will only direct that the rights of the respondents be protected while in custody. I'll also direct that the prosecution obtains instructions so as to respond on the allegations on the next mentioned date.
Okang' mar adek mar baro